Hey everyone, in this video I will show you the best AI tool for generating random brand names for your business. It's called Namelix. You can access this tool by searching namelix.com. You can use this tool for totally free. Additionally, this tool is easily accessible to anyone. Before using this platform, you should find keywords related to your business. For example, if your business pertains to shoes, you could include shoes as a keyword. I think my business is related to shirts. I'll enter it. Also, you can enter multiple keywords related to your business category. If you have finished, then click Generate button to generate brand names. On this page, you can customize your brand name. First, select a name style you like. There are various name styles, such as brandable names, alternate spelling, and non-English words. Also, there are some examples of each name style. If you're unsure about what type of name style to select, you can opt for the auto option. I will choose the auto option and then click Next. Choose the level of randomness for the generation. In this option, I will select the medium, then click on the Next. Here, you can edit your brand name and add a business description. To verify the availability of domains with your brand name, turn on this option. If you want to personalize your settings even more, click the Settings button. There, you'll view more options to help you optimize your experience. I will return to the Brand Info panel. Now click on the Generate. Now Namelix gets a few seconds. Now you can see the various brand names available. You can choose any brand name from here you will like. Important to choose a name that others can easily pronounce and remember. When you hover over the brand names, two options will appear: Register Domain and More Info. If you want to register a domain, select the first option. If you'd like to check the availability of the domain name and AI feedback, select More Info. In addition, you can save the brand name by clicking on this icon. Finally, if you are learning to generate business names, please subscribe to Prime Quick. I will add the Namelix site link in the description. If you want to learn how to colorize black and white photos, please watch this video. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.